Today we are going to learn about Estonia's AI curriculum, transforming education. We will explore Estonia's innovative approach to integrating AI in high school curricula, focusing on curriculum design and implementation. By understanding Estonia's model, educators and policymakers can create effective AI educational frameworks to prepare students for an AI-driven future. Estonia has emerged as a global leader in AI education, with a national strategy that emphasizes the integration of artificial intelligence into high school curricula. Recognizing the transformative power of AI, Estonia aims to equip students with the skills necessary to thrive in a technology-driven world. The country's AI curriculum focuses on developing critical thinking, problem-solving, and technological proficiency, setting the stage for students to become innovators and leaders in the future workforce. In this video, we will delve into Estonia's approach to AI education, exploring the key components of their curriculum, strategies for integration, and the impact on student outcomes. Estonia's AI education initiative is a nationwide effort supported by the government, educational institutions, and the technology sector. The program is designed to ensure that all students, regardless of their background, have access to AI education. With a robust funding model, Estonia collaborates with leading tech companies to provide resources and expertise. The initiative emphasizes the integration of AI across various subjects, rather than treating it as a standalone topic. This interdisciplinary approach fosters a deeper understanding of AI's applications in real-world scenarios. Furthermore, Estonia's AI education plan promotes lifelong learning, ensuring that students continue to develop their AI skills beyond the classroom. By establishing a comprehensive framework for AI education, Estonia is setting a benchmark for other countries to follow. The core components of Estonia's AI curriculum are designed to provide students with a well-rounded understanding of artificial intelligence. Key competencies include programming, data analysis, machine learning, and AI ethics. Estonia emphasizes the importance of teaching students not only how to use AI, but also to understand its ethical implications. Project-based learning is a central element of the curriculum, allowing students to apply their knowledge to real-world problems and develop innovative solutions. This hands-on approach encourages creativity and collaboration. Assessment and evaluation are tailored to measure students' understanding and practical application of AI concepts, rather than rote memorization. Additionally, Estonia incorporates AI tools and resources into the learning process, providing students with the opportunity to interact with cutting-edge technology. By focusing on these key components, Estonia ensures that students are equipped with the skills necessary to navigate an AI-driven future. Integrating AI into existing subjects is a strategic focus of Estonia's curriculum design. The interdisciplinary approach ensures that AI concepts are woven into mathematics, sciences, humanities, and the arts, demonstrating the technology's versatility and relevance. In mathematics and sciences, AI is used to enhance problem-solving skills and data interpretation. In humanities and arts, AI tools are explored for creative expression and critical analysis. Teacher collaboration is critical, with educators from different disciplines working together to create cohesive lesson plans that incorporate AI. This collaboration fosters a supportive learning environment where teachers can share ideas and best practices. Curriculum flexibility is also essential, allowing educators to adapt lessons based on technological advancements and student needs. By embedding AI into various subjects, Estonia creates a holistic educational experience that prepares students for diverse career paths in an AI-driven world. Ensuring that teachers are well-equipped to deliver AI education is a cornerstone of Estonia's strategy. Comprehensive teacher training programs are developed to provide educators with the necessary skills and knowledge to teach AI concepts effectively. These programs include workshops, seminars, and online courses led by AI experts and educational professionals. Continuous professional development is encouraged, with opportunities for teachers to update their skills and stay informed about the latest advancements in AI technology. Collaboration with tech experts enhances teachers' understanding of AI applications and provides insights into industry trends. Supportive learning communities are established, allowing teachers to share experiences, challenges, and solutions. Access to AI resources and tools is also prioritized, enabling teachers to create engaging and interactive lessons. By investing in teacher training and professional development, Estonia ensures that its educators are prepared to lead students into the future of AI. Implementing an AI curriculum in Estonia has not been without its challenges. Initial resistance to AI integration was encountered, with some educators and parents concerned about the relevance and impact of AI in education. To address this, Estonia launched awareness campaigns and workshops to demonstrate the benefits of AI education. Resource limitations posed another challenge, particularly in rural areas. Estonia addressed this by prioritizing investments in educational technology and infrastructure, ensuring that all schools have the necessary tools to deliver AI education. Equitable access to AI education was also a concern, prompting the development of inclusive policies and programs. Balancing the demands of the AI curriculum with existing educational requirements required curriculum adjustments and flexibility. Continuous evaluation and improvement processes were established to monitor the effectiveness of AI education and implement necessary changes. By tackling these challenges head-on, Estonia has successfully integrated AI into its education system. The impact of AI education on student outcomes in Estonia has been significant. Students have shown enhanced critical thinking and problem-solving abilities as they engage with complex AI concepts and projects. There is a noticeable increase in interest and enrollment in STEM subjects, fueled by the integration of AI into the curriculum. This has also led to improved digital literacy, with students becoming more proficient in using technology and understanding its applications. Feedback from students has been overwhelmingly positive, with many expressing excitement and curiosity about AI. They appreciate the hands-on learning experiences and the opportunity to work on real-world problems. Importantly, AI education is preparing students for future careers in technology, research, and other fields that require innovative thinking and technical skills. Estonia's approach to AI education is equipping students with the tools they need to succeed in an increasingly digital world. Estonia's AI education model has positioned the country as a leader in the global landscape. Compared to other countries, Estonia's comprehensive and integrated approach to AI education sets it apart. While many nations are still in the early stages of developing AI curricula, Estonia has established a well-structured and effective system. Unique features of Estonia's approach, such as its interdisciplinary integration and focus on AI ethics, have garnered international attention. Countries around the world are showing interest in adopting elements of Estonia's model to enhance their own educational systems. This offers opportunities for international collaboration and knowledge exchange, as nations work together to prepare students for an AI-driven future. By sharing best practices and insights, Estonia is contributing to the global advancement of AI education. Looking ahead, Estonia is committed to continuous innovation in AI education. The curriculum will be regularly updated to reflect advancements in AI technology and pedagogy. There are plans to expand AI education programs to reach more students and educators, including those in vocational and higher education. Research and development efforts will focus on exploring new methods and tools for teaching AI, as well as assessing the long-term impact of AI education on students and society. Estonia is eager to collaborate with global AI leaders, sharing insights and learning from international best practices. The vision for the future of AI in education is one of inclusivity, adaptability, and empowerment. Estonia aims to create an educational environment where AI is not just a subject, but a transformative force that enhances learning and prepares students for a rapidly changing world. In conclusion, Estonia's AI curriculum is a pioneering model that offers valuable insights for educators and policymakers worldwide. By integrating AI into the national education system, Estonia is preparing students for success in a technology-driven future. The impact of Estonia's approach is evident in enhanced student outcomes and global interest in their model. Key takeaways include the importance of interdisciplinary integration, teacher training, and addressing challenges proactively. As AI continues to evolve, its potential in education is immense. We encourage educators and policymakers to embrace AI education, drawing inspiration from Estonia's success to create effective frameworks that empower students for the future.